Shubor nakaslem jong udongsan hima.
Ngalayok information na Deputy Commissioner Jong East Jati Hills iba Karmalki ila itu ba kumba shitiyo manta ka water level ka Q kumba na ka manswa ka water level ka don chispa san feet kila puli ka after pumping ka one ka chispa ka profit hadin nang tu kila ya se gitu ki lainut ki medma but ana hadin katapan mantaka water level kala increase cheka aspa fit ka belong next to impossible mantaki neviru kilong becomes yearly ban dive as of now tenakata kadaw ka don progress hakini shite yo na ka daw bujut pala islam te as of now don chuki ke recovery ba so tenan panoi pi unde beso tenan rei ba ong ba shukwa ban pentip mai bai ba ya ka expenses hado hundred tare kat kum kecing ong jong Deputy Commissioner kala poi kumba 20 to 25 lakh approximately meiru impact don ki details 100% impact calculate they ong approximately will be 20 to 25 lakh kadika cost pala pulut hang tu so ladang idang continue shu ye kenika process kenika operation kandang queue they as of now the kita de cost jaga but hopefully nalian go government bikin pay je ke ibran kam marni iba it's not possible ham tam hakini ki season memang bocor slab nila matru last time ko ke area haboksan kumnong ni iba nimla ban le percaya gitu go jor pelap slab jumpun joko nimla ban sei dut itu ni mentaru ke la banja nomor kini ki break di bedang sa kim don show hakamin shaf don show po krem tenang kata daw support krem ban sei kan ni ke jumpun joko kamlong ke ba sup ye ki navy le ni ki break jong imo ki personal ban bae malaka taru ni empat dojing kemen hopefully lada kemarin tasha ngindang lehi ya kemudian kam we'll try our best
nalor kene jinglot kadon nem kanu galat jinge rapat ba ashi bahiyang jing tu ki bala khla
ia kata nimpat ndon ka kata nimpat la ban announce ni leng juga district jongi nimpat la ban announce anything based on that kan sa le na leng juga department ka na leng jo chief minister especially how sa announce kata kadon ni em kata kemani department juga